Welcome to Republic of Me Travel. Join us on this bright sunny day's walk from McMahon's Point in North Sydney, Australia, along the foreshore to the historical Luna Park. McMahon's Point is a suburb located on the lower north shore of Sydney, Australia. It is situated on a peninsula on the northern side of Sydney Harbour, just 3 kilometres northwest of the central business district of Sydney. The suburb is known for its beautiful views of the Sydney Harbour, including the Sydney Harbour Bridge and the Sydney Opera House. It is a popular residential area due to its proximity to the CBD and its charming village atmosphere, with numerous cafes, restaurants, and boutique shops. The area is well connected to public transportation, with the McMahon's Point ferry wharf providing access to Circular Quay and other destinations around the harbour. It is also serviced by several bus routes that connect the suburb to the CBD and other parts of Sydney. McMahon's Point is a great place for a leisurely walk with stunning views of the Sydney Harbour. Here are some suggestions for walks in the area. 1. McMahon's Point to Lavender Bay Walk. This walk takes you along the shoreline from McMahon's Point to Lavender Bay, with breathtaking views of the Sydney Harbour Bridge and the Opera House. It is an easy walk and takes around 30 to 40 minutes. 2. Blues Point Reserve to McMahon's Point Walk. This walk starts at the picturesque Blues Point Reserve and takes you through the streets of McMahon's Point, passing by historic houses and charming cafes. The walk ends at McMahon's Point Ferry Wharf, where you can catch a ferry to Circular Quay or other destinations. 3. McMahon's Point to Kirribilli Walk. This walk takes you across the Sydney Harbour Bridge from McMahon's Point to Kirribilli, offering stunning views of the harbour and the city skyline. It is a bit more challenging than the other walks, but well worth the effort. 4. Balls Head Reserve Walk. This is a longer walk that takes you through the beautiful Balls Head Reserve, with its natural bushland and panoramic views of the harbour. The walk starts at Waverton train station and ends at McMahon's Point, taking around 2 to 3 hours. No matter which walk you choose, you are sure to enjoy the beautiful scenery and peaceful atmosphere of McMahon's Point. Luna Park Sydney is an amusement park located in Milsons Point, a suburb on the north shore of Sydney, Australia. The park opened in 1935 and is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Sydney. It features a variety of rides, games, and attractions for all ages. The park is most famous for its iconic entrance, which features a giant grinning face. The face is modeled after the old King Cole character, and visitors can walk through his mouth to enter the park. Once inside, visitors can enjoy a range of rides, from classic Ferris wheels and carousels to more thrilling roller coasters and drop towers. In addition to the rides, Luna Park Sydney also has a range of food and beverage options, including carnival-style snacks like fairy floss and hot dogs, as well as more substantial meals from a variety of cuisines. The park is also a popular venue for concerts and events, with a large open-air space that can accommodate up to 10,000 people. Luna Park Sydney is open most days of the year, with longer hours during the summer months. It is easily accessible by public transportation, with Milsons Point train station located just a short walk away. From this vantage point, you have a great view across the harbour to the newly developed Barangaroo precinct, with its iconic tower. Crown Towers Sydney is a luxury hotel located in Barangaroo, a new waterfront precinct on the western edge of the Sydney CBD, in Australia. The hotel opened in December 2020 and is part of the Crown Sydney complex, which also includes a casino, restaurants, bars, and retail shops. We hope you enjoyed this short walk to Luna Park from McMahon's Point, Sydney, Australia. Please enjoy the rest of the video uninterrupted, and thank you for watching Republic of Me Travel.